What's up, YouTube? We're gonna be doing another BB gun unboxing. I know I say fuck airsoft, but it's like the cheap stuff you could buy. My Desert Eagle and Glock is still on the way through UPS, so I'm gonna be unboxing this shotgun for y'all. It's airsoft. Okay. Here's the cover. If you want the basic, hold on, straighten out my camera, YouTube. It come with a basic, well, a target. Here we go. Here's the gun stuff. It's in the plastic. Take my fingers, open it all up. Camera can see the stuff. Alright. I don't like airsoft, but a homeboy gave this to me. I don't know. It's a instruction manual. Who need a damn instruction manual on a fucking BB gun? There we go. Alright. The basic screwdriver to put the laser and stuff together. The eye protector. There we go. Some standard batteries for the laser and lights. There we go. I don't know what this is. I think it's something for the laser. Some more screws, clips and stuff, or scraps. Little packs of BBs. I'm making the video kind of fast because my mom, she has to work from the house and she got to use the computer. I'm using laptop, but I'm in my room. Here's the strap, the little light. The battery's not in. I'm doing something. Alright, time for the gun. Here's the gun. Give me a second, YouTube. We gotta check on something. But yeah, here's the gun. Here's the gun. Just cock that and just fire. Here's the clip. I don't know how to use this clip. I don't know, but here's it is. Eye detector. Okay. My friend around folding stuff outside. Just check it. Alright. See, can I put this stuff together? Eye detector. I don't really need this piece of shit. Here's the little laser thing. Laser. I don't know where you put this stuff at. Adjust this. I'm gonna make a part 2. I'll show you how to shoot. So yeah, just stay tuned. Here's the unboxing. I know it kind of sucks, but I don't care. Here's the box again. Cause I don't have my cameraman. Here's the box. Close up on it. Yeah, that's my video. Won't you please rate and subscribe.